Hey guys, I am going to show you real quick how I flocked my Christmas tree. First off, I'm using this great product called Snow Flocked. I have it in a sifter. It's kind of like a coarse sifter, but as you see, it kind of gets kind of gross on top of it, or on that, so you have to kind of go through and undo it because it gets wet and gross. And anyway, you want to spray down your tree with a spray bottle, or if you have like a mister on a hose. I just did this because our hoses are put away. You want to spray it down pretty good, and then kind of get this going. And the wind's blowing, so I'm not getting very much, but as it sifts down, you want to spray it. So the way I got these really big flocks is doing that and having it come up above it, and then it gets it on there, and I just spray it right on. See how that's going? There's a good one. You probably can't see it from that angle. There's a good one. And so I wanted it to be a really big flock, and so I'm not doing it with the sifter as much as the stuff that's coming up above it. So I'll come around this way and kind of show you a little bit more. So this is the way you're supposed to do it, like this, kind of. But I realized you don't get the big, huge piles. The piles that are so pretty and look like real snow's falling on them. Anyway, once you're done with that, you go back through and you spray it with the bottle again, and then you wait a couple days before you start decorating. So yeah, there you have it. Super easy.